What's up? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Hope y'all are having another good day. Bring you guys some content. Today is going to be a good, nice little thing you can do for your vehicle. This does not just apply to trucks, diesel trucks, or anything like that. Anybody who has a vehicle or even something porous with plastic on it, this right here is an excellent option for your vehicle. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Stoner Car Care professional trim coating. Okay, this is a true legitimate professional 5-year trim coating that's extremely affordable. It's about, I think I paid like 50 bucks Black Friday. They had a sale on it, so it's around 50-60 bucks, but it's a 5-year coating. Okay, so what that means is that once you apply it, your trim is going to beat up, it's going to look dark and rich for a long time. Now they sell, you know, the Chemical Guys VRP or like the Adams VRT, like basically the white paste or the paste trim gel you can put on the plastic and it makes it look good, but either the minute it rains it runs down your paint, or two, it just doesn't hold up. All right, because all that stuff is water based. Even if you use a solvent based one dressing, it's not going to last like a coating will. Okay, and this is super simple. I actually already went out and did some of the truck because I wanted to kind of get a feel for it. And just have it set up for you guys, but super quick. I've already busted out almost half of the trim around the bed of my truck today, and it looks awesome, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, you guys. So this right here is the Stoner Car Care Trim Shine Ceramic Plastic and Vinyl Restorer. Everything that you will get in this is going to be included. So for instance, you get obviously the coating itself, provided gloves. These gloves came with the kit. Applicator pad, I've already started using it, and a microfiber towel, and it's all in this nice little foam, whatever you want to call it. You also get some instructions that tells you how to do it. It's pretty much like 3 steps and then that's it, but it's all in color. They tell you how to do it. Okay, now something on the side that has nothing to do with this kit is you want to have some sort of trim cleaner. I'm using Adams Polishes trim cleaner here, or if you mix up a 50-50 isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water 50-50, you can actually use that to clean your trim before you apply it, because the first thing they tell you to do is clean the trim. So wash the vehicle or wipe the trim down, get it clean. You basically want to get it to where any oils, waxes, grease, anything on there is off. Okay, once you do that, basically you come behind with this, you apply it, you put it onto the thing, and you go from there. Okay, so you can see here it'll last up to 5 years. Restores a deep dark shine, easy to apply SOI2 technology with the polyzizane, which is, I don't know what that is. But yeah, this is it. I will have a link for this down below in the description section of the video. That way you guys can be able to purchase this. I paid for this out of pocket, did not get sponsored or anything like that. I'm just trying to put you guys onto something, help your vehicles out, especially if you guys got like a Chevy Avalanche or something with a ton of plastic on it. This right here is going to be your best friend. All right, you guys, so we come over here right now. This is already coated trim. All right, actually let me get you guys off the mount. That way we can get nice and close. But you can see here, this is a trim already coated. Okay, looks very good, nice and dark. And then you come over here, you can see uncoated. All this is uncoated. Now right now I applied this coating about 10 minutes ago, so it's still curing. They tell you in the instructions you have about 10-20 minute window to touch up any missed spots. Once you touch it up, that's kind of it, but they tell you can layer this. So if you want to put more than one coat on it, you can. Just wait 2 hours and then reapply it. So what I'm going to do most likely is I'm going to leave my truck taped up. Clearly I taped it before I started. Leave it taped up, and then about 2 hours from now I'm going to come back out here and redo it. You know what I'm saying? You come over here, and you right there, you can actually see where I stopped at. Right there. That's where I stopped at roughly. And you can see some right there too. Okay. So it's still curing. The thing about this is you don't have to come behind it and buff it off or anything. You just apply it, set it up, and that's it. All right. So we come here. I'll leave you guys down. Shake it up. what I like to do is I already primed it, but if this is the first time using it, make sure you prime the pad. Just put a little bit more than normal, okay? And then I'm just going to come here and apply. And you can see it laying down. It's like an immediate difference in terms of how it looks. Make sure you work it in there good, especially if you have like the rough porous plastic. And a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot of this stuff. And this is going to pretty much lock in. This is going to lock in that protection. So the way it looks now is the way it's pretty much going to look for a long time. And I've already watched videos of people using it. Shout out to Jamie the cleaner. He has an auto detailing channel I like to watch. I figured this out from him. So I doubt he watches my stuff though. Alright, this looks really good. Just go ahead and put your cap back on. Don't leave this open because this is legit quartz, man. It's a ceramic coating, so you don't want that to dry up on you. You guys tell me what you think. I have not coated the driver's side yet, but you can see dull, nasty, you know, it just doesn't look good. Just all sorts of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat this side now, let y'all see that, and then let me get back with y'all. One more thing I forgot to show y'all was I did the 50-50 comparison right here. Oof, right there, that's it. All this side is coated, and then you come over here, uncoated. Nice and clean, rich, and then dry and nasty. Nobody likes to see crusty trim. So actually I'm gonna come over here and finish this side first, since I already started it, and then we can go to that other side over there. Alright y'all, so y'all went ahead and saw it firsthand. We went ahead and finished wrapping up the trim. I would do the bumper. I mean, I could do it. I just have to clean it up. But I think I'm gonna wait because I'm changing the LED license plate lights. Or I'm changing them to LEDs, and I need like a brush or something to be able to get all into the little grooves and stuff. So for now, we'll do this. I just wanted to be able to let you guys see it. In terms of durability and all that stuff, I can't sit here obviously and tell you anything about it because I just applied it. But do know that there's a lot of videos out there showing this product. It works. I've watched plenty of videos and stuff to the point where I'm willing to put my name on it. So if I'm willing to put my name on it, y'all know I take that very seriously. So you know, give it a shot. If you got some ashy trim out there, give it a shot, you know, and go for it. I'm gonna redo it though, or not redo it. I'm gonna put a second coat on though, because I want it to pretty much have the best shot of lasting. It does say you can layer it, so we're gonna do that after the 2 hours of cure time. That's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super quick, super informative, nothing crazy. Again, links will be down below for this ceramic trim shine from Stoner Car Care Products. I've used a couple of their other products. Their glass cleaner, they're really well known for that. But I think this is gonna look really good, you guys. Or I think it does look good, but I think it's gonna look even better when I put 2 coats on it. But I recommend it 100%. So thank you guys so much. Be on the lookout, because here in about, I looked at my wrist like I got a watch on. Something's wrong with me. Here in about an hour-ish, I'm going to be driving down to my paint dude, Hector, to pick up the tow mirrors that we dropped off to him to get painted. Going to be bringing those back. You guys won't see them until it's time to put them on the truck. So be on the lookout for that video, because that's going to be another awesome video to put out on the channel, all right? So once again, thank you guys so much. Until next time, y'all take care, be safe, peace out, and I will see you guys soon.